You're trying to create Handshake AI account to get Project Hedgehog so that you can start taxing. This video is for you. I'll show you the exact setup I use when creating Handshake AI account, and I get Project Hedgehog immediately. I have shared this process with a whole lot of persons in my Telegram communities generally, and a whole lot of them have gotten Project Hedgehog on their Handshake AI account. Now, Outlier is misbehaving and a whole lot of people are trying to switch. So before the crowd comes to Handshake AI, please go get a Handshake AI account. And if you follow my method, you are going to get a project on it, Project Hedgehog, where you can start taxing. A whole lot of people in my community have used this, and you can see on your screen a whole lot of person has made quite a number of profits from doing tax on Project Hedgehog on Handshake AI. You're going to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because if you miss one small details, you are going to miss out on getting Project Hedgehog on Handshake AI. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you want to get quality updates concerning AI platforms, where to earn money, where the money is on this AI space, then you need to be part of my Telegram and WhatsApp community. I'll leave the link in the comment section and the description of this video so that you don't miss out on opportunities that I share. So what is Project Hedgehog? Project Hedgehog is one of the projects on Handshake AI. There are tons of it on Handshake AI, but Project Hedgehog is one of the projects a whole lot of persons want to have in their Handshake AI account. And this video, I'm going to show you how to get it. Now, you need to create a fresh email address. Now, there are countries that Project Hedgehog or Handshake AI is good at. If you are in the United States, you are going to get 90% chances of getting, in fact, it's 100% chance you're going to get a project on your Handshake AI account. Now, if you are in Canada, you have 70% chance you're going to get projects on your account. If you're in the UK, you have just 30% because they don't give a whole lot of tax to UK citizens. But if your CV is right, you're going to get projects on Handshake AI. For instance, a whole lot of persons that are creating this account are very busy, extremely busy, doing their jobs for their daily routine, and may not have the time to start taxing on this platform. So you have somebody who wants to tax. If you have to create your account, you can give to a taxer who is going to tax, and when you receive payments, you pay the taxer their agreed amount. Okay, so you need an email. You don't want to use your personal email to create it, because when you're going to hand over the account to a taxer, you might likely give the taxer the email so that they don't have to be bothering you to send link to when they want to log in. So you have to create an email that you can share with them that doesn't have your personal thing. So once that is done, the next thing you need to consider is using the right referral link. Now, for projects like Hedgehog on Handshake AI, you will need someone who's already on Handshake AI that has Hedgehog in their account to send you their referral link. Now, you don't just go and create from the direct website. You need a referral link so that you can get it. So that's why you need to be part of my community, so that when you are ready to create that account, you just need to send me a DM and I'll send you a fresh active Hedgehog referral link to get started. Okay, the third thing you need to consider is build your CV, your resume. It is very, very important. Now, when building your CV for any AI platforms, I have a video where I talked about how to create the right CV. You can watch that. Just go to my YouTube channel and search for my channel. When you are there, just search for the videos you're going to see creating the right CV. Now, when creating a CV for yourself, okay, you need to consider a whole lot of things. You can use ChatGPT to help you create a CV, but when creating this, there are a whole lot of things that you need to consider. Your CV needs to talk about that you have analytical thinking, technical writing, okay, computing knowledge. These are the things you need to consider. Computing and technical knowledge, you need to consider these things, okay. And AI evaluations. When you can coin this together in your CV, make sure you're using your right education on your CV, okay. But if you can put this together, then you are going to have the right CV, okay. Make sure you have some technical computing skills, okay, like Python knowledge. Now, you're not going to, this is going to help you get the projects you want. Now, if you don't want to go through the stress, you can send me a DM. I'll do that for 10 USDT, okay, that's $10. I can create a very powerful CV for you that you can use on any AI platform. Guaranteed you're going to get jobs on it. So send me a DM in from my Telegram or my WhatsApp. You can send me a DM, we'll get that done. So CV is the third thing you need to consider. Now, number 4, you have to choose the right field. Okay, now for people who are doing Handshake, these are the things you need to consider. Okay, you need to pick the category that best matches your experience. Now, because you know what you're doing and the jobs you want to get, you need to choose arts and humanities. Okay, arts, humanities, science. Okay, these are the things you need to look at. Okay, for you to get those jobs, you need to look at that and you choose your specialization. Okay, technical writing because it fits the profile I want, or the profile you want. With this, you can get a whole lot of jobs. Okay, not even just Hedgehog, a whole lot of jobs can come in for you. So choose technical writing. Okay, okay, you can select that on the linguistics and or technical writing. That's what I want, linguistics or technical writing. You're going to get that. Number 6, the current role, technical writer. Okay, just a technical writer, and that is the best thing you need to choose for your account. Once that is done, add your LinkedIn. I have a video that will show up here how to add your LinkedIn. Have to have the best LinkedIn account for you, so you can add that and it will help you. Okay, now if you follow these steps, if you think that it's going to be a hassle for you, you can send me a DM on Telegram or on WhatsApp. Just go my Telegram community. Once you're in the community, you're going to see my contacts for WhatsApp and Telegram. Then you can send me a DM and I'll guide you step by step to go get this directly if you cannot follow what I'm doing this video. But if you want me to guide you, you can send me a DM and I'll guide you. Okay, it's not expensive. All right, so that is how to get Project Hedgehog on your Handshake AI account. It's very, very simple. Okay, use a fresh email. Once that is done, your CV has to be rich enough to get this job. And thirdly, you need to use a referral link that has Project Hedgehog on it. And fourthly, choosing the right field. I talked about that. You can scroll back and watch it. I talk about the right field. Okay, technical writer, linguistics or technical writing, that is what you should be looking at. Okay, and you're going to get these projects. Okay, guys, if you are just seeing me for the first time, please like my video, comment, leave a comment. Any question you have, I'll answer that. I have the time, I'll answer it. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell. Whenever I drop updates like this, you want to be the first to see it. Check out my other videos about how to recover your outlier account and so on and so forth. And don't forget to join my Telegram community and WhatsApp community. Let's make this money together. I'm here. Okay, I'll catch you on my next video. Let's go get this money.